Look at that view. Welcome to Totally Evelyn. This is incredible. It's a 2-bedroom plus maid's room. It spans over 2,046 square feet. The terrace is huge. You could have a party on this terrace. And whilst having dinner here, look at the view. You've got the Atlantis, the Royal, and then you've got the beach here with all the fronds, the villas. It really is an incredible place to stay. You've got the marina there as well, private swimming pool, private gym, amenities, best community to stay in Dubai, Nakheel Mall over there, and you've got all the other communities like Golden Mile, Shoreline, and the balconies are huge. You've got 2 balconies. You can even enter to your bedroom for your guests or for your kids, and then you have the other balcony there for the master bedroom as well. Let's have a look inside. Here we are in the very spacious lounge. There's nothing you would really need to do to this house. And if you're anything like me, you'll love not missing a trick. You won't want to miss the conversation, so you can have a chat to all your guests. And of course you've got the little guest bathroom right here as well as you come in. You've got the guest bedroom. I'll show you the master bedroom because this is really exciting. Right out onto the terrace, really modern. And you have a dressing room, which is a must. And this toilet, it's gorgeous. There's a shower, a bath, and look at all that space. I mean, his and her sinks, incredible. Much more for your money because this one is upgraded. The terrace is larger and the size overall is much better.
Yeah, ready.
Okay guys, if you want further information about this beautiful apartment, then do get in contact with me. It is not going to be on the market for very long and I really enjoy hearing from you. Be fast or you're last. Remember to subscribe, like and share.